एयरटेल हेलो ट्यून पाने के लिए स्टार और 9 दबाएं और विंक म्यूजिक ऐप इंस्टॉल करें।
हेलो
ज्वाइन Hello. Good morning, Arjun. Today I am going to take the lecture of microprocessor and microcontrollers. And in this subject, I will teach you about the details and everything regarding this subject, your microprocessor and microcontrollers. Okay, so in this subject, you learn about various, you can say that data formats and MPU based system. In this MPU based system, we study about system hardware, discrete components, microprocessor, memory, components connected by buses, then system software. In this MCU based system, we have a microprocessor, temperature sensor, A to D converter, input ports, timers, fan, heater. So everything is parallelly connected with the LCD. So microprocessor based system, in this microprocessor based system, you will study about how parallel operations are done and how the operations are simultaneously performing the operations at the same time. In this system, you will also be aware of the functions of timers. We should also be aware of parallel buses and the interconnections that are already being kept so that we can be able to withdraw the information and transfer the data. So after that, you also come to know about you can say that various things concerned with this system. And in this MCU based system, we have a microprocessor, memory, input output ports and supporting device on a single chip. bus is generally not available to a system designer. In the system design step, buses are not available. Input output ports generally multiplexed and can be programmed and can be easily programmed so that we can get the output to different functions. Now, computer architectures, we study Princeton versus Harvard architecture, CISK, RISC processor, microprocessor, and microcontroller. And in this MCU-based system, you have seen microcontroller, microprocessor unit. Inside microcontroller, we have a microprocessor, flash memory, read-write memory, timers, analog to digital converters. And in this output of analog digital converters, the control buses, output is given to LCD part, and output of read-write memory, and this section is given to LCD. And flash memory output of this given to peripheral device like temperature sensor, heater, and fan. So you have studied about this MCU based system. Here you have buses, here you have interfacing. Also you study about the various you can say that sections where the output is given to control lines, and somewhere the output is given to you can say perform the operation. And this is the, because in case of microcontroller we have microprocessor inside, and the function of this microprocessor inside this microcontroller is to perform different operations. And when you study about different operations, you will easily come to know that this is very easy and simple process to have the control section. You also have a few of recommendations that you will also study in this particular section. And during this operation, you will also come to know that the various data formats and various priorities that you get it while drawing the information. So this is also very important. And you also studied about the various design parameters, and you can say data formats. Okay, so these data formats are unsigned integers. All 8-bit represents the magnitude of number from bit 7 to bit 0, range 00H to FFH. Okay, and now first is unsigned integer, then signed integer is 2's complement. Then we study bit 7 is a signed bit, positive numbers 00H to 7FH. Then negative numbers also you will study in this particular you can say that data format. And in a binary coded decimal numbers, you will study 8-bit number divided into two groups of 4. AH through FH are invalid. We consider AH through FH invalid numbers. So example is 001, 00101. It is BCD conversion. So it is equivalent to 2510. Okay. And American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ASCI stands for American Standard Code for Information Exchange. So this standard helps us to study about the binary code decimal numbers, then your signed and unsigned integers. And in this signed and unsigned integers, you will also study how this system has the advantage in case of microcontroller section, because microprocessor is inside and microcontroller has to perform the other operations simultaneously. And during that part, we also kept this information regarding your system, and it also help you to the starting of microcontroller, microprocessor system, and the signed and unsigned data formats is also very important, and this will enhance the you can say that system with the difficult position. Okay.